Hey Tractor Chasers, we are out in the field with a John Deere 9610 combine harvesting winter wheat in central New York. We're going to watch this combine and their tractor and grain cart working, and we're also going to get up in the cab with Dave to find out how harvest is going. Now let's head out to the field. Alright guys, I am up in the cab with Dave, and he is getting some wheat combine today. How's it going so far, Dave?
Better this afternoon, late this afternoon. Been a tough going last few days.
Yeah.
Straw is awful tough, goes through hard. Grain's dry, just yielding pretty good. Just tough to get through the combine.
Yeah. Well, it's been a wet season so far. You think that's kind of affecting it?
I think, well, that and we've had such humid days, it just doesn't dry. The stalk just doesn't seem to get rid of the moisture in it.
Yeah.
The head's drying out, but the stalk isn't.
Yeah. How does this do with the 25-foot head on here? Is it a good match for it, or?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a 9610, which is a Class 6 combine, and it'll handle 30-foot beans easily. I used to put a 30-foot head on it, doing wheat, but the windrows were so big that nobody could bale.
Oh, yeah.
So we went to this 25-footer. It works. It's a good match. When we do ride, I go 20-foot. It's plenty of head.
Yeah.
And wheat, normally, if wheat is thick, it goes through pretty easily.
Yeah.
You can hear it does growl a little bit.
Yeah. And you were saying this combine came out of Missouri?
Yes. Yep. My son went out. I sent him out there, and he purchased it at a dealer going out of business because they were bought out by side distributor. And it didn't have only 400 hours on it after they broke the feeder house chain and ran it right through it. So everything inside it was new, and we got it 400 hours on it. And we bought it right, bought it in a 30-foot head, and went and got him and brought it back, and I've had it almost 25 years.
Yeah. And how many hours are on it now?
5,100 engine hours.
Yeah.
And it's still a good combine. When we bought the rotary combines, they wouldn't allow us hardly anything for it. And I decided to keep it because I'd make more cutting small grains with it every year than they would have gave me. So we keep it. I have, quite a few customers that like the straw from a Walker combine. There's a lot more of it. So we have, pretty good clientele that we use this on.
Yeah, it seems like these Maximizer combines just last forever.
Yeah, they're built well. They are. We got, like I said, two 70 series combines, and the inside of them is not built nowhere near as heavy as this is.
Yeah.
It's been a good combine.
Yeah.
We probably don't put maybe 100 hours a year on it anymore. But if we need a backup to pick corn or anything, we had one of the 70 series, one of the chamfer frames broke in it, and I put a 12-row, 20-inch row head on this thing and picked corn all fall with it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did a good job.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like you said, it's definitely, sometimes it's better to just keep the combine than to take what little they'll give you on a trade-in.
Yeah, they were going to allow us like $12,000.
Yeah, yeah, it's worth it. Those a little extra insurance when the other combine goes down.
Well, it's not bad to have it sitting in the barn waiting.
Yeah, yeah.
And we get all three of them ready for soybeans and corn in the fall. And if we don't use it, it's ready to do wheat. If we do, then you got it to use.
Yeah. So have you guys been combining wheat for very long now, or is this one of your first days? Or
No, this is fourth day. Well, we got rained off several mornings. We got 2/10 again last night, right here. I got nothing at home, and then John, the day before we got a 10th at home, they got a half an inch at the farm and a quarter inch here.
Oh yeah.
So it seems like every night we get a shower, just that way it makes it tough. It stays nice and tough, so it's hard to combine.
Yeah, yeah. Just got to add a little bit of challenge to it.
Oh yeah. But today was, a nice dry day, and so it's probably, today is the best combining that we've had.
Yeah.
It's going through the easiest.
Yeah, that humidity finally broke last night, and
Yes. That made it tough.
yeah,
Because the straw would just stay damp.
yeah,
You drive around the country, there's a lot of wheat standing here.
yeah. I was surprised. Just this late in July, usually people are starting to wrap up at this point, but still a lot of wheat out there.
Last year, Davey, he keeps track when we start. We started on the 2nd of July last year.
Yeah,
And here it is, the 18th,
yeah,
and we've only been combining 4 days.
yeah. Yeah.
Just every year's different.
Yeah, last year was a great year and pretty easy, and this year it's got to balance out.
Yes, it does. We had all that rain early, and this made it tough.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate you letting me come out here and see you guys combining, and hopefully hopefully this moisture slows down like it is. The humidity drops and
We get
the rest.
finished.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah. I hope you loved being out in the field with this John Deere 9610 combine harvesting winter wheat. If you love seeing farm equipment in action, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.